Looking to automate your crypto trading and earn around the clock, even while you sleep? Then you need to check out Jonny Blockchain. Jonny Blockchain gives you instant access to two powerful trading bots, the Spot bot and the Grid bot. It's perfect for traders who want consistent, automated gains from price fluctuations. The Spot bot, on the other hand, is ideal for trending markets. It helps you ride the waves up or down with precision without constantly watching the charts. The best part? You don't need any trading experience or coding skills. Just sign up with JonnyBlockchain.com. Connect your wallet or exchange. Choose your settings and the bot does the rest. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just click the link below this video or visit JonnyBlockchain.com. Create your free Jonny Blockchain account and explore the dashboard. Your funds stay secure, always inside your own wallet or exchange. We never touch them. And if you want to boost your income even more, Jonny Blockchain has a powerful affiliate program that pays you on 4 levels. Every time your referrals make profitable trades with their bots, you earn a commission even as a free member. So if you're ready to take control of your crypto trading with smart automation, click the link or visit JonnyBlockchain.com. Join for free and launch your first trading bot today with Jonny Blockchain and start earning today.
If you want to create your own trading robot, below this video you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.